You're already aware, the notifications have been issued for the elections to the urban local bodies. We have 79 urban local bodies, and the elections are to be held in 4 phases. 4 phases as announced. The voting is to be on 8th, 10th, 13th and 16th of October, and counting is on 20th of October. Today is the last day of nominations for roughly about 1/4 of the urban local bodies, some in the Kashmir region and some in the Jammu region. Panchayat elections are to be held in 9 phases, beginning in the month of November. And the 9 phases are 17th, 20th, 24th, 27th and 29th of November, and 1st, 4th, 8th and 11th of December. The total amount of funds that come to our panchayats, take this year for example, would be around 800 crores, 779 crores to be precise. And this is a number which is going to rise year after year. Next year, 2019-20, it is 1049 crores. There have been some concerns about security to staff, security to candidates. We are getting 400 companies of central forces for conducting the panchayat elections over and above what is already there in the state with JK police and central paramilitary forces. For government employees who are conducting the elections, as an incentive, we are providing 1 month's extra salary. I think which was notified. SAC took a decision in the month of August and it's been notified. 1 month's salary additional for all government servants involved in the elections is unprecedented. It's never happened before. A couple of SPOs resigning is news, but you must see it in perspective. The state has over 30,000 SPOs. In 2016, the wages of SPOs were enhanced from 3,000 to 6,000. A very serious discussion is going on right now. I'm not going to reveal the numbers because we're waiting for the decisions. The salaries or the honorariums of the SPOs are going to see a substantial jump in the next few days. The SPOs are going to see an increase in their remuneration in the next couple of days. I'm committing myself to that here. I'm not committing the number because this is going to be a decision of the State Administrative Council. We have more than 300 hotel rooms in Srinagar for candidates who want to stay. Similar arrangements have been made in almost all the districts of South Kashmir, Pulwama, Kulgam, Anantnag and Shopian. In North Kashmir, in Baramulla and Bankipura, we have made arrangements for stay. Gandarbal and Budgam are very close to Srinagar, so there is no issue. So all candidates who feel insecure, who seek accommodation, are going to be provided accommodation. 2, if they want security, and many of them do not want security, if they want security, we provide security to them.